Welcome, today I am with AirPods 3 and I will show you how you can connect them with your Android phone. So, at the first you have to open the settings in your Android smartphone and go for connected devices. Select pair new device or enter the Bluetooth settings, it depends on what smartphone you have. In my case it's Zenfone smartphone, so I have to click here and then enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher, and then we have to open case of our AirPods Pro. In the most cases, of our AirPods 3, and in most cases they will be in the pairing mode automatically, but in my case, as you can see, they are not here on the list. So we have to rotate the case, click and hold this back button, you will find it right here. Let's make it right now, click and hold it until this indicator on the front starts blinking on white color. Okay, that's interesting, it blinks once, so let's close, open one more time and then click and hold it and take a look. Okay, as you can see right now it's blinking, so if you have the same problem, close case, open it one more time and then refresh the list of available devices. As you can see right now they appear in the list, so we have to click below, just tap on them once and then click pair. As you can see right now we are finally connected. So to assume, when you open the case they will be in the pairing mode automatically in the most cases. If you have a problem that they are not on the list, just click and hold this back button until this indicator on the front start blinking on the white color, and after that you will get them on your pairing list. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.